So I'm unboxing our Freshly order. This is a 12 meal box. These are prepared meals that come refrigerated. And so I thought this was our second order, and I was impressed with the way it comes packed, so I thought you might like to see how it is. So it comes in this box by Fedex with a little packing slip telling us what meals we're getting. And then this is a fluffy insulated stub and a frozen pack. Earth-friendly frozen pack. Tells you how you can reuse it, obviously, or recycle it. Then the meals are in there. But wait, like I said, it's a 12 meal pack. So that's the first 6 that are all labeled. And what? Another cold pack, still frozen. This came from Ohio by Fedex, and we're in Tennessee. And some more meals. They're super cold. They're, like I said, refrigerated, not frozen. And another cold pack. So 3 cold packs that are still way frozen. And then this stuff lined the box, and it's like a fluffy cotton material. It says it's denim, but it feels, when you open that, it seems like insulation. There's sort of a plastic backing and a fluffiness. So that is how it comes. Super effective, keeps it way cold. And so I'm not worried about the food safety with this refrigerated pre-made foods arriving from Freshly.